Hi, this is Michael E. from Elegant Utility, and you're looking at our new product, and mostly for wood lathes. They don't usually make these for the wood lathes. In fact, we're pretty much the first ones that we had seen on the market. And here's your spindle on, let's say, a 1-inch 8 TPI lathe. And you'll notice that from time to time, from putting on heavy bowls or something like that, the spindle might get deformed. Or if you're working on pens all the time, the spindle might end up getting filled up with all kinds of dirt. And occasionally, we don't like to admit it, but we run our tool in there. But we want to keep the spindle as good as possible, so what we made was this spindle nose protector, and it screws on just like this, follows your spindle threads, and that's it. And if you notice, the spindle is fully protected. If you accidentally ram it in there, your tools, it'll keep the spindle from getting damaged. And this is aluminum. We didn't make it out of steel, so at least aluminum will be a little better for your tools as well. And since you're not using it for anything else, you could probably just untwist it. The first time you put it on, it'll actually clean your threads, because we made it pretty tight to make sure we get out all the dirt in your threads. But then once it's on there, it'll work just as normal. Spins right up, won't be in the way. And if you want this tighter tolerances to the end of your spindle, you can always just take a file to it and clean it up a bit. We'll tend to make it maybe just a hairline bigger, so if you did need to clean that up, you could. Another thing is, if you do have a chuck mounted in the spindle, a Morse taper chuck, you can also use the spindle nose protector to pull out the chuck instead of sticking the rod in through the spindle. And if it gets a little tight, you can always put a 1/4-inch drill bit or some other 1/4-inch spanner wrench or whatever that you might have laying around the shop, which everybody has something laying around the shop, to just twist it off. And there you go. That's our new product. We're going to make this for a variety of threads. If we don't have your thread, let us know, and we'll make them up. We're even going to make brass ones, because now, we see guys like really cleaning up and fixing up their lathes, and they're going to want them nice. So we make a brass one also for additional money. This one is a 8 TPI, 1-inch, and we have the standard sizes of 1.25 8 and 1.5 8 already online to be sold. And we hope we tell people about this and buy it, enjoy it, and protect that spindle. There you go. As easy as that. Look at that. We manufacture everything here in the United States, and God bless, and thank you.